Welcome back to the class. Today we are going to do simplification. Simplification. In order to simplify a given expression involving various operations, we have to follow few rules. That is Bodmas. B-O-D-M-A-S, Bodmas, where B stands for bracket, brackets, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Where the letters B, O, D, M, A, S stands for these all operations. Now, in this bracket, there are four kinds of brackets. Let us see. Number one is bar or vernaculum. Number two is round brackets or small brackets, or we call it as parenthesis. Number three is your curly bracket, and number four is square brackets. To simplify, first we will solve bar brackets, then we'll go for round brackets, and then we'll go for braces or curly brackets, and at last square brackets. Okay, and these all are brackets. So here we can see the rule we will use to simplify is Bodmas. Here in Bodmas, first we will solve inside these brackets. Then after we will follow this sequence of divide, multiply, add and subtract. So in this way we can simplify. Let us start exercise 1D. Exercise 1D. Simplify question number 1. 5 bracket minus 6 plus bracket 12 divided by 4. So this is a very simple sum. First of all, we have to solve inside this round bracket. So give equal to sign. 5, this is curly bracket, round bracket, minus 6 plus, this is what 12 divided by 4. That means we have to divide 12 by 4. 4 how many times is 12? 4 3 is 12. 4 3 is 12. So here is 3. This plus sign remains here, plus only, and rest of the things are same. You can see here very easily we are solving. Now again this we are copying here 5 as it is. Inside this bracket we have to solve. This is a negative number, this is a positive number. So first let us remove the bracket. Minus 6 plus 3, and now here 5 is outside. Inside this is minus and plus. So what we have to do? Minus into plus. We know that minus into plus is minus. So we have to subtract. Here we have to subtract. Where there is negative number and positive number, then we have to subtract. So 6 minus 3 is 3. But the sign of the bigger, we will take the sign of the result. Bigger number is 6. If we don't see the sign, then the bigger number is 6, isn't it? Along with the sign, minus 6 is smaller than 3, but if we exclude the sign, this 6 is bigger than 3. So while writing the sign of the result, we will see the bigger number. Bigger number sign is minus, so the answer will also be minus. So here now finally we have to multiply. 5 3 is 15, and the sign will be plus into minus. This 5 is positive number, this is negative number, plus into minus is minus. So here we get answer as minus 15. Let us see another number, that is 2. 10 minus 56 divided by round bracket 16 plus 9 and curly bracket. Okay. Is equals to 10 minus curly bracket 56 divided by this one. Inside this bracket is how much? Negative number, positive number, minus into plus, minus. So 16 minus 9 is 16 minus 9 is how much? 7. Which one is the bigger number? 16 is the bigger number, so the sign will be minus. Okay, bigger number sign is minus, so sign will be minus here, and we have to subtract. 16 minus 9 is 7. Curly bracket closed. Now 10 minus 56 divided by a negative number, isn't it? So just forget about this minus for the timing and divide it. 56 divided by 7. 7 how many times is 56? 8 times. But the sign will be of this minus. As this one is 56 divided by minus 7. 7 1s are 7 8s are. So this minus remains as it is. So minus will be here. Now we'll open the bracket. 10. This is minus. Inside this is a negative number. So this minus and this minus will multiply. So we know that minus into minus is plus. So we'll write here plus. After multiplying this one, actually here is 1 minus 1. So minus 1 is multiplying with this minus 8. Okay. Here is 1, which is usually we are not writing. Okay. So minus into minus is plus, and 1 into 8 is 8. So, or you can say like this, minus into minus plus, and 8 is here only. So finally what we can do? 10 plus 8 is 18. So this way we can solve. Okay. Now question number 3. It is like this: minus 6 minus 28 divided by minus 7, this called bracket, so equals to minus 6 minus, inside this bracket let us write in this one in fractional form. Minus 28 divided by minus 7. Close the curly bracket. This inside this bracket, let us work. Minus minus gets cancelled. 7 1 ja, 7 4 ja, isn't it? Minus 6 remains like this only. Okay, let us keep it in the round bracket. Inside the round bracket, minus here, and what is remaining here? 4. Inside this bracket, 4 is remaining. So here it is. So again, here you can see minus 6, minus 6, minus 4, minus 6, minus 4. So both are negative number. Well, both are negative number. What do we have to do? Add. Minus into minus is plus. So we have to plus these two numbers. 6 plus 4 is 10. And the sign of the bigger number we will take. That is 6. That is minus. So minus we are taking here for this answer. Minus 10. Okay. Let us see question number 4. Let us see question number 4. 4, 8 minus 12 minus 9 minus 7 minus 4. This one is like this, equal to, now 8 minus, inside this, under this bar bracket we have to solve. See this bar bracket, it starts from 7, not from the sign, not above from the sign. Okay, so it is above 7 and up to 4. So these two we have to solve. 12 minus 9 remains as it is, minus remains as it is outside the bar bracket. So 7 minus 4 is how much? 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay, bigger number is 7, which is positive. This one we will take it as positive because minus is outside this bracket, this bar bracket, outside this bar bracket. Minus is outside this bar bracket, remember. Now this bracket gone. 12 minus 9 minus 3. Inside this bracket is what? 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. Outside is minus. So this bracket also gone. 8 minus, inside this bracket 12 minus 6 is how much? 12 minus 6 is 6, isn't it? So now 8 minus 6, and finally 8 minus 6 is 2. Is it clear? Question number 5. Question number 5 is like this. 11 minus 8 minus curly bracket 10 minus 9 minus 7 minus 4. Close this bracket. Now this is the question. Is equals to 11 minus this one minus 8 as it is minus 10. Now inside this bracket, okay, we have to work, and inside this bracket bar bracket is also there. So first we will solve under this bar bracket. 10 minus 9 minus 7 minus 4 is how much? 7 minus 4 is 3. Now next step, 11 minus, this is here, 10 minus 9 minus 3 is how much? 9 minus 3 is 6. So this bracket also gone. We have to do step by step. 11 minus this one. So minus 10 minus 6 is again 4. So if we follow Bodmas, then sum is very easy to solve. 11 minus, so both are negative number here. So we'll add 8 plus 4 is 12. Bigger number sign is minus, so minus 12. Now 11 minus minus, minus into minus is plus. So 11 plus 12 is how much? 23. Is it clear? Now here is question number 6. Minus 9 minus 5 minus 11 minus 8 minus 5 minus 2 bar bracket curly bracket, this one. So step by step we will go. Minus 9 minus 5 minus 11 minus inside this bracket 8, this 2, 5 minus 2 is how much? 3. This minus remains here only, like this only. 5 minus 2 is 3. Next step, minus 5, 11, inside this bracket 8 minus 3 is 5, minus 9 minus 5, 11 minus 5 is how much? 11 minus 5 is 6. So slowly all the brackets are going away. So minus 9 minus, inside this both the numbers are negative, so we have to add. Minus into minus, as we know, is plus, so these two we have to add. 5 plus 6 is 11, but the sign 6 is a bigger number, the sign of this 6 is minus, so we will put here minus. So minus 9, again these two will multiply, minus minus plus 11. Here is minus 9 plus 11. So finally what we can write? Minus plus is minus. Minus into plus is minus. So we have to subtract here. 11 minus 9 is how much? 2. What is the sign of bigger number? Plus. So this is a positive number. Here we finish. Okay. That's all for today.